Good afternoon, everyone. I am Priyanka Rajput, Assistant Professor of SIRT EX from EX Department. Today, we will discuss about the topic of power system. What is a power system? What we'll see in a power system 2? What is a topic? Now, let me start course object. In this power system, we'll talk about the load flow studies, voltage control, as well as different type of stabilities. Now, in our first unit, we will cover about the restructuring system, deregulation, regulations, as well as distributed generations, pricings. It's all over theoretical parts. In a second unit, we will discuss about the load flow studies, different types of load flow studies, as well as economical dispatch. In a third unit, we will cover about the frequency controls, different types of methods. In a fourth unit, we will cover the reactive power and voltage controls and different types of excitation systems. And in a last unit, means in a fifth unit, we will discuss about the stability. What is a stability, different types of stabilities, and its swing equation and all. Now, let me start. What is a power system? I think everyone is known what is a power system. Power system is a generation, transmission, and distributions. Yeah, you have already learned about the generation, transmission, and distribution, different types of cables as well as insulators, transmission systems. Now, in a second power system, we discuss about its structuring as well as its transmission systems, load flow controls, voltage control, and all. Now, first we see problem associated with the modern interconnected power system. Before this topic, we will discuss about these. What is an interconnected system? What is an interconnected system? So, the concept of interconnected power system is the main requirement of the power system network is reliability. Means it gives an uninterrupted power supply. In some part of network, there are a resources of power generator is available, but their load demand is low, wherein the other part of the network power demand is high, but resources are not available for power generation. So this is difficult can solve by the interconnected power system. So what is the interconnected power system? Interconnected power system is a connections of all the power generating stations in parallel is known as the interconnected power system. Now, it is also defined as the distribution network with multiple available power source which can make closed path throughout the network. Now, the interconnected power system is nothing but an interconnections of the buses with more than one power generating stations. It will utilize the unused generated power capacity of connected generators during the peak hours. Now, in an interconnected power system, if one source goes out of the reach fault in a fault or in a faulty conditions, a different source can be supplied to maintain the service. Now, the first one, this is the two generating station which are connecting to the transmission line I1 and I2, two lines, and T1 transmission line T1, TT1 and TL1 and TL2. Now, the types of interconnected system. There are mainly three types of interconnected system. First one is a AC interconnected system. Second one is a DC interconnected system, and third one is a hybrid AC-DC interconnected system. In a AC interconnected system, both sides, system A and system B, both are directly connected to each other by converting the stations to change the voltage level and control the voltage. Now, in a second diagram, you can see here the DC interconnected system. In this type, both the A and B type system have not converting stations to change the voltage level and control the voltage. Here, both systems are connected with the HVDC transmission line, and it has a convert at both the end of transmission line. At sending end of the transmission line, the rectifier is used for the converting AC to DC power, and in the in the receiving side, we are using a inverter which will convert DC to AC. So the control of voltage is done by the power electronic switches and controller. And in a hybrid, AC and DC both are connected. Now, there are the problems which are associated with interconnected power system network. First one is a voltage control, second one is a communications, third one is a frequency control, and fourth one is a metering and instrumentations, and storage and reserve capacity, and last one is a synchronizing problem. These are the different types of math problems which we will face in the interconnected system. So it is all about for today lecture. In next lecture we will see one by one, or this we will discuss about one by one all the problems. Thank you so much everyone.